Ay, kapaso. Balot, din ang balot.
It's delicious. When it's
Ang
completely
balot
cold, it
naging
kind of tastes
pan.
like really high-end imitation crab meat.
Adan suka. Dalawang tambalot sa paninan
In
sa
Korea,
online.
the crab meat tends to be
Ano siya? Babad sa mainit na tubig. Marasa man siya. Medyo marang la.
Can I make a bold statement? I
Marasa.
think the crustacean tastes a little better in Korea. But everything else is delicious. They say this is a dish they rarely eat. It's almost not in demand. Since crustaceans are more common in Korea, I feel like they taste just a little better there. But it's still tasty.
Marasa agad
So
siya.
good.
Pero mas
I thought there was no
dirot siya ba.
It's so good.
This is melon. Try this one.
Tabang na
Your
siya.
life will be before eating this and after eating this. Here we go. Not again.
Korea. And this melon is 3 times better than
Ang buhok din na
anything
ito
else in
natumba.
Korea.
Tindugod.
That's what I think. Oh, there's a delay. Wow. All right, I'll try it now. While it's warm.
Nabuha.
I think they boiled it. in
Makakaon
salt
talaga
water
siya
or
tanan. Wala
seasoned
siya
with
karag.
it. That's so
Adyang busag.
Give me some too. Give me some too.
Wala gumahalang. Mayroon dali. Abag sa haral. Ang duwa. Pumayo mo siyang buhat. Anong pade so? Luto iya, luto.
Octopus. Earlier, I was like, wow. Even just picking it up with a fork feels completely different. Completely.
May galing harang suka.
I'm serious. Real fish. It kind of reminds
Belto
me
na
of
akong
something.
pag-agro.
Wow.
Masa ka siya. Bagan sa akong laban, matabang
The
siya.
oyster is delicious
Bisa
too.
may asin. Ano waray.
Unfortunately, this guy doesn't have any eggs yet. Wow. Yummy, so yummy.
Di man niya. Sa bugusan na unod ka.
So,
Tatanggalan pa sa
the owner, he looks so young. Çok güzel, çok güzel. Thank you.
Gumaram sa gin-order kan sa online.
I was worried when I saw you
Ang
filming.
pulo ka bugos. 184 na.
Mukbang, mukbang.
Ang nagusto sa TikTok. Ang sabaw.
Teşekkürler.
Yeah.
I want her to be my sis. Really? She's so
Waray siya
cool.
piso.
Amazing. Wow.
Mayong
Oh my
siya
God.
kaunon la aray karag. Ganda suka.
I guess this is a fish with a lot of oil. The oil makes it so delicious.
Pagdam mo yung kakao, mahal kaya.
It feels like I'm eating a
Mahal.
giant flounder.
Karaguto sa sibuyas. Habal kasi ni ang busag tiguro ra. Kaya medyo sumayo mo. Tulo na yan. Wala na ito luto.
Crayfish is so soft.
Saan ka? Yeah.
But there are no
Marang-harang kasi siya may flavor. Nandoon mo ni sa rasina na magkamayada mo siya. Spicy nga flavor sa
when the
sulod.
mukbang
Ang
started,
dati nga
I
hindi
didn't
mo.
know you could eat it all. But seeing it now, I'm really so amazed.
Actually, it's quite
Supportahan niyo
expensive,
guys.
so people don't eat it very often. First, the octopus. The octopus was absolutely incredible.
Simple lang nga heart
It was
and
super delicious. I will
share
say it was a
comment.
bit expensive,
Nakulit na
but the
bagay.
view is just amazing. Even the sea. I think it back in Korea. The service was great, and the food was well prepared, so I really enjoyed it a lot. Anyway, thank you for another delicious meal.
Ano na ipon sa akong buhok ha kay. Hindi rin natumba bisa na noon. Kagabi pa ito. Pagparigo ko. Madikadik siya ka bagal sa balot magpapat ba? Ano wala ko. Mahal
The
galing
menu
at
is
ang
just
balot
like
ng
the
dala ko.
Kidnap Heaven menu. Kidnap Heaven.
Roasted the Italian way. Matapang, suave taste of success. Baka twist na ang liver mo. Take Essentiale 40p.
Plus.
2-4 packet decreasing liver fat.
The record is 160. Let's break that record first. I'm hungry. More. Hello, everyone. So right now, I'm here in Turkey, in a place called Beşiktaş. There's a dish called midi dolma. What Korean people call, I actually tasted a little bit yesterday.
Dahil nga
It was
tambang.
only a little, but it was so good, I kept thinking about it last night. So I came here to eat it today. Right now, there are so many people on the streets today. Apparently,
Gindaing
there's a football
to
match
ang
tonight.
tambang.
Most of the people passing by are wearing football jerseys and their faces painted with football design. They seem so passionate about it. And since today is a football match day, the waiting line has shrunk a bit. Yesterday, the line was insanely long. We're going to eat completely outdoors here. I wonder if I can eat without feeling shy. Absolutely nobody knows me here. Nobody is paying attention to me at all. Actually, inside, it's so crowded and noisy right now.
Madakbag ka
Same
rin.
for the other floors. The outdoor seems the best, so I
Gabe.
came outside to eat.
Ang dulawin eh. Nung nagpaparo sa balot, ang dulaw.
It's the same owner I met yesterday. He's so kind. They say, usually when a hungry
Salamat.
man eats a lot, they can eat up to 30